Hey everybody, Chris Bryant here. Thanks for joining me for this 3 Things About video. This new series gives you 3 things that you absolutely must know about a certain topic for your CCNA exam. It's an excellent review tool, and it also means that anytime you have 2 minutes, and I mean literally 2 minutes, maybe literally 3 minutes, you can come out to my YouTube channel and do some CCNA review. Let's jump right in with our standard ACLs and the 3 things you really need to know about them. And we're going to use some live Cisco equipment here to make that happen. You know the first one, right? You start talking about ACLs. What's the first thing you got to know? You got to have your ranges down. So let's get into config mode and do a quick access list check. And you see the numeric ranges here. You have 2 for your standard ACLs. The top one there, 1 through 99. And then we have another one down here, the expanded range, 1300 through 1399. And notice it even says expanded range. Now, a quick note about that, because people say, you know, why aren't they sequential? Why isn't it just 1 through 2000? Well, at one time, we actually thought those were going to be all the ACLs we'd ever need. You know, 1 through 99. That's all the standard ACLs you'll need. We also once thought that a floppy disk would hold all the data that we ever needed to carry from one place to another. It was nice at the time, but not terribly practical today. So what happened is Cisco came up with another much larger range of standard ACLs later, but they couldn't really make it sequential. So again, just watch this on your exam, 1 through 99 and 1300 through 1999, because if you see those numbers, no matter what comes after it on your exam, it's a standard ACL. So the thing is, what I'm leading up to there is the second thing we need to keep in mind with these standard ACLs, and that's what they match on. And we can do a deny and a permit. We're going to do a deny here. And we have the address to match any source host and a single host address. So I'm going to choose a single host address, and notice that that is the end of my choices. This is another thing you have to watch out for on your exam. A standard ACL matches only on the source IP address. You cannot put the destination IP address in here, literally, as you see. You can't put port numbers, you can't put anything else in there except for the source IP address. Now, let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and just hit enter there. So we've got an ACL to work with, because the third thing you got to watch on exam day is how you apply these to your virtual interfaces and to physical interfaces. So if we go to a physical interface like Fast Ethernet 00, the command to apply it is IP access group. And you'll notice here, you know, it's going to give you your numbers. So if I wanted to use list 99 here, I would do so. What else do I need? Something else you got to know. I'm giving you more than 3 things here, but that's okay. Something else you got to know is that you can filter inbound or outbound, and you must specify which one it is. So IP access group 99 by itself would not be a legal command. You've got to say in or out, and you can apply 1 ACL for inbound traffic and 1 for outbound traffic. Let's quickly go to the VTY lines here, because if I tried to do access group here, unrecognized command, that's because if you're filtering telnet and SSH connections, which is what we use the VTY lines for, and you're going to use an ACL to filter traffic there, you have to use the IP access class command, which still looks like it's unrecognized. So let's try access class by itself. Ta-da! So you can't even use IP access class. You've just got to use the access class command. That's it. Then just put your ACL here, and that would be 99. And then again, you've got to put in or out. It is an illegal command unless you specify in or out. So there is your review on standard ACLs. Make sure to check my YouTube channel regularly. We're posting these 5 times a week, and I will see you on the next 3 Things About. Thanks for watching.